Transcription quiz number 8. Dear Mr. Edwards, every business traveler should have a copy of the executive travel guide, period. It tells you everything you need to know about our schedules to several hundred major business centers in the north, east, and west, period. You can easily plan exactly when to leave and when to return, period. This is an important reason why thousands of people use the executive travel guide every week, paragraph. Send for your copy today, period. It costs only $15, period. We will be glad to add your name to our list of subscribers, period. Then the next time you are going someplace, reach for the executive travel guide, period. You will be able to complete your travel plans with ease and efficiency, Mr. Edwards, period. Very cordially yours,